Hi there. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? You're not alone. Sleep is essential for our health and energy, but sometimes it's easier said than done. In today's video, I'll share 5 simple ways to improve your sleep quality naturally. Let's get started. Tip 1. Stick to a sleep schedule. Our bodies thrive on routine. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and makes falling asleep easier over time. Tip 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Set the mood for sleep with a relaxing pre-bed routine. Whether it's reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath, these activities signal your body that it's time to unwind. Tip 3. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light from screens can mess with your sleep hormones. Try turning off devices at least an hour before bed and opt for a calming activity instead. Tip 4. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Instead, opt for a light snack or a soothing cup of herbal tea to help you relax. Tip 5. Optimize your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a sleep sanctuary. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows can also make a huge difference. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay positive and take care of yourself.